How do I stay motivated learning Cymraeg? Brilliant question, and surprisingly one I don't get asked nearly enough. Truth is, staying motivated when learning a language means finding balance in the greyest of grey areas. You've got to allow yourself permission to put it down and walk away sometimes, even for a few months if life demands it. But at the same time, you need to remember your goal and keep coming back. Don't stop for good. Some days will feel brutal, especially after a break. It might seem like you've forgotten everything or like you've somehow gone backwards, but you haven't. Push through, fight back. You'll realise you've actually retained more than you thought. And watch out for this trap. One tough moment, like not understanding a single word in a song, a podcast, a film, a conversation, can really mess with your confidence. It makes you feel like you're miles away from fluency. That feeling isn't reality. Even now, I still have moments where I catch barely a few words, and I've been doing this for years. The real key is keep using it, whether it's keeping a journal, chatting to people in person, online, or even with an AI, or immersing yourself in Welsh media. The more you use it, the quicker you'll see your progress. Anyway, hope that helps. And just remember, you are doing better than you think.